Do antibiotics really wipe out your gut bacteria? We know that the more diverse our gut bacteria population is, the better. But every course of antibiotics disrupts this population because antibiotics aren't targeted enough to only kill the pathogenic bacteria causing the infection. Instead, they go after all bacteria in our guts. After taking antibiotics, which can have a negative impact on the gut microbiome by disrupting the balance of bacteria, it's important to support gut health during the recovery process. Here are some ways to promote fast recovery and restore a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that can help replenish the gut microbiome. Include probiotic-rich foods in your diet, such as yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha. You can also consider taking a high-quality probiotic supplement, but consult with a healthcare professional for guidance on the specific strains and dosage. Prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Consume food rich in prebiotics, including garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, asparagus, and whole grains. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber supports overall gut health and helps in the growth of beneficial bacteria. Include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including digestive health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help with digestion and nutrient absorption. Anti-inflammatory foods. Some foods have anti-inflammatory properties that can support gut healing. Include foods like fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, turmeric, ginger, and green leafy vegetables in your diet. Bone broth. Bone broth contains nutrients that can support gut health, including collagen and amino acids. Include homemade bone broth in your diet, either as a standalone drink or as a base for soups and stews. Avoiding certain foods. Some foods can exacerbate gut issues, and it's advisable to limit their consumption. Reduce intake of processed foods, added sugars, and artificial sweeteners. Pay attention to how your body responds to dairy and gluten, as some individuals may be sensitive to these. Gradual reintroduction of foods. After a course of antibiotics, reintroduce a variety of foods gradually. Start with easily digestible foods and gradually reintroduce more complex foods to allow your gut to adjust. Exercise. Regular physical activity has been linked to a healthy gut microbiome. Engage in moderate exercise, such as walking, jogging, or cycling, to support overall well-being. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and can positively impact the gut. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to support recovery. It's essential to note that individual responses to recovery strategies may vary. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more health content.